Look around, high and low.
Let's learn shapes.
Here we go.
Shapes, shapes.
Here we go. Big and little, fast and slow. Look around, what do you see?
Shapes are everywhere for you and me.
Circle, circle, round and round. Rolling, rolling on the ground.
No corners, no sides too.
Circle, circle, we love you.
C-I-R-C-L-E.
Circle! Square, square, 1, 2, 3.
4 straight sides, look at me.
4 little corners, nice and fair. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square.
Triangle, point up high, reaching, reaching to the sky. 1, 2, 3, count with me. T-R-I-N-G-L-E. Triangle.
Rectangle, long and wide.
4 straight sides,
Side by side, tall or flat, here and there. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E.
rectangle. Oval, oval, smooth and long.
Sing along our happy song.
Like egg, egg, can you tell? Oval, heart, heart,
Full of love,
sent from heaven up above.
love for family, love that's smart. H-E-A-R-T-E, heart.
Star, star,
Shining bright
twinkle softly.
every night.
5 pointy tips, way up far.
S-T-A-R, star.
Diamond, diamond, sparkle bright.
Shining in the morning light.
Tilt it over, there you are.
D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. Pentagon, pentagon.
Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strong sides, let's begin. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. Pentagon. Hexagon, hexagon. Buzz, 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 busy bees.
Love this one. Count 6 sides.
1 by 1. H-E-X-A-G-O-N. Hexagon. Circle.
Square,
Triangle too.
rectangle,
Just for you.
oval, heart,
Stars so bright.
diamond,
Diamond, pentagon.
hexagon.
Now we know our shapes.
Shapes are fun.
Yes, it's true.
Learning shapes with me and you.
Clap your hands, hip hooray.
Keep on singing
This happy tune.